Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a head gasket. First, gather your new head gasket set and all necessary tools. Next, safely drain the engine coolant and relieve any fuel system pressure. Remember to disconnect the battery. Then, carefully remove any components that obstruct access to the cylinder head, like the intake manifold. This preparation ensures a smooth process. With the engine prepped, it's time to remove the cylinder head. Begin by detaching all hoses, wires, and manifolds connected to it. Next, loosen the cylinder head bolts following the manufacturer's specified sequence. This is crucial to prevent head warping. Once all bolts are out, carefully lift the cylinder head off the engine block. Inspect it thoroughly for any cracks or damage. Now focus on cleanliness. Thoroughly clean both the engine block and cylinder head mating surfaces to ensure a perfect seal. Any debris can cause future leaks. Carefully install the new head gasket, making sure it's oriented correctly. Then, place the cylinder head back onto the engine block. Tighten the cylinder head bolts to the manufacturer's torque specifications, following the correct sequence. For the final steps, reconnect all components, hoses, and electrical connectors you removed earlier. Refill the cooling system with the correct coolant and perform a thorough air bleed procedure to remove any trapped air. Before you go, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, start the engine, carefully checking for any leaks and ensuring everything operates correctly. Monitor temperatures closely during the first few drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.